Hi everybody, it's Dave again. Quick one for you. We're heading out to Thorn Moor Ends area. Remember a few months ago? Well, no, it weren't a few months ago. It was only a couple of weeks ago. We did a quick video on helping out a customer. Now we've got a new website ready for him. We're now going to get some video footage, some photos of the premises. Hello. Expansion. Lots more to do. I'm playing dangerously now. Plenty of room. It's good it's on concrete, this, isn't it? So it's a lot better than some. It's alright. Security cameras. So as soon as he gets back we need to fire away. I think one of the main things we need to talk about really is when customers are talking about the business, don't talk about your business directly. So, you know, tell the story on where it all started, what made you do, you know, the passion behind it is, did you create it just for making money, or have you created your business or leaving something for family, which is what he's done there. He's named the actual business after his son, and his son's a big rugby player. What a great idea. I think it's an amazing idea. And I think that's where a lot of people miss when they're promoting the business. Talk about the reasons why you've done things. People will resonate to that, you know. Talk about your passions. And I don't just mean in making money, talk about your passions in, like, they're both massive into rugby and why they enjoy doing it. And that's how we've connected. We've connected with him for the same sort of reasons.